Alright, hey guys, I am making this video to answer a question that is on a lot of our minds, a lot of Android users' minds, I should say, and that is, can a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, in this case this one is 64 gigs, class 6 micro SD card, can it be used on an Android device? This particular Android device is a Samsung Galaxy 4.0 media player, Galaxy Player 4.0, as you can see. I'm gonna turn this baby on right now to check and just to show you which version of Android is running on it. It is Android version 2.3.5. Again, it's the Samsung Galaxy 4.0 media player. Alright, so let's open this up and put the 64 gig card. Get this back cover off first. Alright. Let's get this. .64 gig card inside. It says preparing damaged SD card. So what has been recommended, and if that's the case, is to shut down the device, power off, and then we are going to turn it back on. Then we're going to turn it back on without removing the micro SD card. Right. As you can see, the card is still inside. What we're going to do is format the card once it runs through the it's all its checks and everything. Okay, so now it's preparing the data storage, preparing the SD card, and should still give that damaged SD card message. Alright, so now it gives a little icon there showing a damaged card with a little exclamation mark. So what we're going to do is go to settings, and I'm going to go to SD card and device storage. Okay, so here are options under the SD card. Total memory available, it says unavailable, unavailable, mount SD card, format SD card. So let's hit format. This action will erase the SD card in the phone, lose all data. Hit format. Formatting will delete all data. Data will cannot be recovered. Hit delete again. It's erasing. Media scanning completed. So now all of a sudden you see total memory 59.46 gigs. Available memory 59.46 gigs. Now it's the same thing with the hard drives. If anytime you get like a 500 gigabyte hard drive, let's get the screen on. And anytime you get like a 500 gigabyte hard drive, you're always going to be always going to have a little less as far as what you're going to be able to use. It's always going to be like 490 gigs or whatever. So it's the same thing with this 64 gigs. You're going to lose in this case about 4 or 5 gigs or so. But as you can see, total memory is showing as 59.46 gigs. Total unavailable memory, and no more little icon there showing a damaged card. So we are pretty much all set to add nearly 60 gigs of more data on our little MP3. Well, in this case, I use it for MP3s, but in this case, our little Galaxy device. We have the. I could definitely get some more apps on here, and get some more music on here as well. So that pretty much proves that a 64 gigabyte micro SD card can indeed be used on an Android device. As I said again, in our case, this one. Android 2.3.5 firmware version. So go ahead and buy your 64 gig micro SD cards and get those files uploaded, and you'll be all set. All right, thanks for watching, and thank you again. Bye.